If you want to add a digital clock to see both the time and the date on your home screen, and this is the Galaxy A55 smartphone with Android 14 One UI 6.0, 6.1. To add a clock on your home screen, basically long press a blank area on your home screen like this here, and you want to go to where it says widgets right there. As you tap on that here one time, you'll be taken to all the widgets that are pre-installed on your phone. So you don't need to install anything on your Samsung phone to get access to these widgets. They're all there already. So go down until you see clock, and you can choose from either one of these here. But if it's a digital clock that you want, you'll select this one right there. As you tap on it, you'll have the option to add, and usually automatically it will appear in this size here. But if you want to make it bigger, you'll notice these little tabs here where you can pull on it. And let's say you already came out of that. So you want to access it again to make changes to it. So you can long press it first. And when you release it, you'll notice the menu option and the tabs here again. You can pull on these by going to the far right like this. And also, if you tap away again, you can long press, go to settings, and have it set to this option, or turn it off and choose between either one of these here, or to match the dark mode. And now that you have it like this here, you could leave it like that. You can also hold it down once again and drag it to another part of your screen. And also when you release it, you can do that again and remove it by long pressing it and selecting remove, like and so.